everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. It's raining here in BC. I hope it's nice in your area. But we had to go down to the RV and make sure that we closed all the windows because yesterday it was hot. So we went down there because we're going to be going on a camping trip at the end of this month. So we wanted to get it all ready to go. And today it's raining. So it's the way it works in BC. You never know. It's like nice one day, raining the next day, hailing, snowing, ice storm. You know, you just don't know. But anyways, I have a pretty cool unboxing. It came from Korea, so I wonder what it might be. Maybe it's our friend from Samorga. Love them. Alright, so let's go ahead. If you're new, please like and subscribe. I always appreciate that. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I really do appreciate that. So my channel is mostly from a senior point of view, and I do a whole bunch of different things. Vintage luxury, fun stuff, pets, traveling, just a whole bunch of different hauls. A few unboxings, not a lot of unboxings, but wear and tear, you know, what's in my bag, all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. I got my blade. All right, and it comes in a package like that. And let's see what they sent me here. Yeah, they're pretty good over there. I did use Leo Lyons 20% off. So that worked out pretty good. That pretty much pays for the shipping. So it does help a little bit. Okay, we're in. Okay, comes in a package like that. Okay, there we go. So that's pretty cool. Look at that. They give you like a little plastic. Before they had a different kind of packaging, but this is pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and unbag it, I guess, huh? Okay, let's see how we do that. Here we go. All right, and it has Samorga on it, like that way. Huh, that's kind of cool. That's like new packaging. All right, they give you a little airbag. All right. Oh, that was nice. They gave me I guess because I talked about them so much, they gave me a couple little trio for my lipsticks. So that was nice. I didn't have to do that. So they gave me a gray one. They gave me a pink one. Huh. Well, this is a pretty color. Orange. Yeah, these are like pretty good size too. You can put at least 2 lipsticks in there. That's great to go in your bag. Oh, look at this purple one, is pretty. Okay, well thanks Samorga. That was nice. This is kind of a coral color. Huh, okay, well that's cool. Those will come in handy. I love Samorga. All right, and this is pretty cool. It has Samorga, obviously. And this is for my Chanel bag. Has 2 pockets. 1, 2. And if you probably have another small flat bag, this would probably fit as well. So I'm probably going to go ahead and do what's in my bag with my Chanel bag. And we'll see how this works out. And I'll keep you guys updated. So if you have any questions or you want to leave me any comments, please do below. Do you guys like Samorga as much as I do? Do you guys use other organizers? They really do keep your bags clean, and they're like really made well, and they have a lot of cool colors. All right. Okay, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. Until next time, thanks for watching Senior Style. I do appreciate it. Bye now.